This exceptional 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 comes equipped with a responsive 5.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine, a fluid 5-speed automatic transmission, and has the control of 4-wheel drive. This vehicle has supportive seats, only 29,942 miles, and its electronic features include a 4-speaker in-cabin sound system. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include 4 ventilated disc brakes, both driver and passenger front, multi-stage deploying airbags with occupant sensors and complex surface lens, halogen bulb headlights. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.